Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and use text to speak on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So you need to first open Play Store and search it to at first you need to install these apps. Now I'm already installed these apps. So go back, go to phone settings, scroll down, click onto accessibility, select installed app, select to speak, click on to enable, to allow. Look here, showing here to this icon, click on to setting icon, select the second option, choose language, and then go back. Now go to Google search, go to Google search option, like open, and click on to start.
Home menu. Neutral atoms are likely the best way to reach the holy grail of quantum computing.
Okay, now done. So that's how you can do it.